Now he's letting me. Oh, you didn't want it documented he was a brat, did you, darling?
Harry's being a brat.
Oh, yeah. Oh, he's pretty fine. He's being better now. Oh, you got dragon breath. God, what you been eating?
You're cooking.
What is it, John? What's the matter? You gonna say something to Mama? What is it? What? What's the matter? Oh my goodness, what's the matter? What's the matter, honey? What's the matter? What? Oh my goodness, what's the matter? Oh, really? Are you okay? Or something? Oh, you're not? What's the matter? Oh my goodness, really? Are you hungry? You hungry, do you? Oh, yes, he's hungry. What, you need something to eat? What do you want? Oh, you want a biscuit? Is that what you want? Oh, he's sitting good. Can he have a biscuit,
Yes, he
Daddy?
can. Okay, I'll get you a biscuit.